Hello, good evening, friends. This is Trupesh here. I'm one of the PT coaches, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of the inspirational journey of one of my students, Twisha. She has a fighting attitude. She has shown a great courage. The day she joined me, she already had an attempt before joining me, and her previous two scores were reflecting that she scored in two of the modules she scored in 70s, and in two of the modules she scored 50s and 60s. And this was a situation that she was in, and she was not quite sure whether or not she would be able to score 79 plus. She spoke with me, I evaluated her case, and I realized that she is the person having all the potential available in her, provided she does all the hard work that is required for clearing the PT. The day she joined me, she told me that I evaluated her situation. Yeah, she was 7 months pregnant, and she was working full time as well, taking care of the family. Despite having all these challenges in her life, she still managed to work hard for the PT, go through the required attempts which was required for clearing her PT, fought it out, and cleared the test with overall 88. What we are going to do over here is we are going to listen it out from her, what all the things that she did differently in order to achieve this score. She is an inspirational character and very good friend of mine, so let's hear it out from her. Alright then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye. Exactly happened. And Twisha, you can unmute yourself and tell us about your story. I just went on and carried away explaining everything. So now you can tell us something about your journey. Yeah, welcome. I love PT. It's amazing, and I'm truly feeling blessed with the best students in the world. All of you are one of the best students in the world. Yeah, Twisha.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words. I haven't heard such nice words since long. Maybe.
Come on, Ronak. You could have said so many nice words. But yeah, it's my duty as well as a coach and a friend. So yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Well, as you said, my journey wasn't that easy. But then it did happen with your help, with your motivation, first of all. I'd like to tell everybody he's a very good motivator, very positive person, and that helped me a lot. And the strategies that he shared with me, like how important are fill in the blanks, and that requires major time of preparation. That is the most important part we need to focus on, which is to fill in the blanks. Then comes repeat sentences and WFD. All of these strategies that were shared, the material especially, the material was very good when it comes to repetition of questions asked in the exam. It is pure luck basically, but then it does help if we are attempting just a sorry.
No problem. Take your time.
So yes, the material is very important. If you're focusing on the material and you're practicing well, you're doing smart work as well as hard work, you're definitely going to score better. But yes, it is very much dependent on luck as well. The last attempt that I gave, as Trupesh sir says, just go and give it as it is a mock, and that only worked for me when I attempted for the last time. So I would suggest you just go as if it is a trial, or you just going around and playing somewhere and just give the exam and just come home. That's it. Don't even think
Begin
of the
with your
result.
first
Just
test.
come.
Yeah, that's the outcome that you mentioned. But begin with your first test, and I'll also bring up those, your scope card as well. I already saved it over here. So if you don't mind, I'll show it over here.
Yes,
She attended her first test on the 3rd of January. I'll just come to this. I'll first of all, if you don't mind, I'll begin with
I would like to say something, sir.
Yeah, please, go ahead.
Sir, she is speaking so easily that you don't have to get stressed, but you have to. I have absorbed so many stress because whenever she came from tests, and I have to absorb all
yes.
of his negativity.
He was my punch bag. He
Yes.
was my punch
So
bag.
yeah. So obviously a punch bag would not give all the kind words. Okay, brilliant. So before she joined, this is where she was stuck at. Right? Most of you can realize that what she must have been going through before she joined. This is where she was almost stuck at. Her writing was good right from the beginning, no doubt about it. As you can see in the spelling, in the grammar, right? So her writing was good. So this is where she was earlier. You all have seen this. Now I'll show you. She attended on 3rd of January, and this is the result that she got. So the two scores which were in 50s, right, 54 and 55, right, those two scores got converted into 88 and 88. Can you imagine the kind of effort that she must have put in? Okay, reading 88, speaking 88. When I told her initially when she joined that, you can score 90, but you'll have to adapt to certain process, you'll have to speak in a certain way, and all those things were there. And this is the score she got on the test which she gave on 3rd of January, and this is what she got. Good enough, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So with this score, you are like absolutely sure that all your methods, processes, materials, they are all going on fine. But something went wrong here and there in the test, and you have not been able to score well in two of the modules of listening and writing. Now, what happened over here? Twisha, just tell us what went wrong, and after that, what did you do?
In listening, I was more of baffled with the comprehension that goes on in the background, and you have to answer, you have to select single answers and multiple answers. So that was one of it. And also repeat sentences. They've become, some of them were very long and you cannot recollect the whole of the sentence. So it was also luck that time. Hard luck.
Yes, I do remember that you mentioned that in case of repeat sentences, not a lot of repeat sentences got repeated.
Yes.
And
yes.
that's the reason, I have extended my library as well. That's one of those reasons that these days people are not only doing few repeat sentences. I have extended that library as well. So that's another takeaway from your journey. So in writing also something went wrong. So what she did was she attended the test on 3rd of Jan, and her result came on the 5th of Jan. And we discussed in the early hours of the morning, and because I was the one who looked at the result first, so we discussed in the morning, and we decided, that within 3, 4, 5 days time, we are going to go and attend the test again. And she immediately agreed as well that yes, I'm in the zone and I should go ahead and I should attend the test, because all the preparation that is required to be done, she has done it. Only a little bit of fine-tuning here and there for the repeat sentence, or maybe for writing 1 or 2 essay with some structure, right? That is what is required. Today, what you guys see over there, sometimes I share that particular one screenshot as well, where different lines have been written. It is an undeniable fact that this and that, and different sentences which can be written in the essay. Those are written by, I gave her certain different structure and she compiled them. It was her hard work, Twisha's hard work, that she compiled them, which you guys are using, right, at some point of time. So that's what she did. She spent nearly a couple of hours sitting somewhere, and she compiled those things. She wrote a couple of essays, and that's it. Few repeat sentences, couple of essays, and she went and attended the test again on 11th of January, and this is her scorecard. Just saying. Can you see? I'll start from the bottom. Can you see, guys? At least say yes. I would like you to say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So return score was 90. This is how I elaborated the scorecard to her when she
Right.
early hours of the morning. I checked the score at night, and in the morning when she woke up, I called her up and I told her written discourse 90, vocabulary 90, spelling 90, pronunciation 90, okay, oral fluency 90, right? That's what you would dream for, okay, and grammar 79, okay. Now I'll come over here. Writing 80, speaking 90, listening 90, and then I said like reading 74. In the last attempt, on the 3rd of January, when she attended, her reading score was, what was it? 88. This time, she had 74. What would you say to her? Tell me. Her baby shower is coming in next 2-3 days time, and what would you tell her?
I was stressed, super stressed.
Okay, I heard those words in the stress as well, which I won't be able to repeat over here. Okay, she was stressed, no wonder about it, and she got even stressed when I said her few things, that this is your score, and what else can go wrong? We can't find anything that would have gone wrong over here, except for the fact, for the sake of saying I said, you might have made some mistake in the SWT, which has gone wrong. You'll have to do a bit of a work, and we'll have to go and attend our test within 1 week's time, and that's it. So I told her, your baby shower is there on the 17th. You need not to do any preparation. You go and attend it on the 19th, or maybe 2 days before that. And she said no. And she gave me 10 different reasons for no. But finally, touchwood, Ronak supported her. She said her father won't agree, her father-in-law, won't agree, the health issues, everything was there. 7th month going on, baby shower is there. This is the situation where she was in. And I tell you guys, had it been the case at this particular point of time, if she had given up over there, then she would not have attended the test for 4 more months minimum. 4 to 6 months, 6 more months, she would not have attended the test again. Correct me if I'm wrong, Twisha.
True.
Right. If at this point of time, if she had given up over there, she would not have been able to attend the test for 6 more months, and she would have had to go. She would have had to go for the preparation, all of it again, at least 30 or 40% of it again, and then also she can come back with this kind of scorecard if she is lucky, right? So she took a little bit of a break. I told her, at least don't think about anything else for 3 days. Though I had her login, I could have booked her date, but then I hesitated a bit as well. But then she called me up in a couple of days' time, and she said that let's book it for 25th. So what she did was we booked a date for 25th of January, and she hardly did a preparation for 1 day. Correct me if I'm wrong, Twisha.
Yes, just a couple of hours.
Yeah, what did you do in those couple of hours?
We did the speaking session.
Yeah, speaking session, and you went through probably the
formats
fill in the blank formats as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
A fast track fill in the blank, or maybe a couple of SWT. That's it.
Yes.
Hardly 2-3 hours of job she would have done, and she went and attended the test. And when she attended the test this time, it's not something that PT is playing. Okay, it is something that we all must understand that it's the hard work that pays. And this is what she got. Deepa, Spardha, all of your scorecard are going to be, just like this. I'm damn sure about it, because all of you are putting, even more hard work than what I saw Twisha putting in. Okay? Because you all have, privilege to be in a company of each other and all mastermind sessions and everything. This is what she came up here with. If you want to mention a few words for Twisha in the chat box, by all means, please. She is a warrior. She fought it like, I cannot explain it given the circumstances that she was in. She had a courage to go back and back and back again and fight it out. And this is what she did. she brought the kind of a result where we waited for 2 or 3 days for the result to come, because I had no words to explain her if anything would have gone here and there in this case. But touch wood, she came back with 89 in listening, which was earlier 90, so she has already scored 90 over there. Reading, maximum she has scored 88, and over here 84. Speaking 86, which I told her, she should have scored 90. I don't know why she has scored 86. Writing, look at the writing score, 90. To many of you, have shared the essays written by her. It is an undeniable fact, right? Wherever it begins with that, most of those essays are written by her. So you can get these kind of score if your enabling skills, if you improve a little bit here and do this kind of hard work, right? And all of you have the ability to kind of excel and get the score that you want to get. But trust me, it is not absolutely certain that you will get it for the first time. So when you go for any of your attempt, even this attempt, when she went for this particular attempt, I told her, when she came back from the test, what did I tell you, Trisha? When you go back to your father's place after this test, no matter what the result comes, you be prepared for the next attempt. You not give up.
Yes. It was after every attempt.
This was after every attempt. But mentally, you have to be, kind of ready for that, because something here and there may go wrong. What has happened in your case? One dart here and there going, wrong. But your preparation and your efforts were as such that you are sure that there is nothing wrong in terms of my preparation. It is something that a little bit of a luck here and there, or maybe some silly mistakes here and there, because of which we are failing to get the superior score. So, yeah. So how do you feel now? And she's a mother of a beautiful girl. Her name is Misha, and I'm so happy that the Misha came after the PT affair completed. Otherwise, she would have kind of been in a bit of a stress as well. That after doing so much of hard work, still missed out by a couple of. I got a couple of students. You would not believe that one module left with 78 in speaking, or maybe here and there in the other module, and they gave up. They gave up in a way that for some 1 or 2 weeks, one guy for the listening 78, and then he left it. And then after that he attended and he got 74. But you're not allowed to give up. That's why I say you must consider that PT is a 1 lakh rupees test. It is not. You should consider that. Sometimes if you are lucky, you may get it on the first attempt, but sometimes you need to be prepared for a couple of attempts here and there, and that's where your mental ability is tested. If you leave a lot of space between those attempts, despite knowing the fact that your preparation is done, and if you leave a lot of gap over there at that time, you are at a loss. You are at a big loss if you give up at a point of time where your 100% preparation is done. I got some of my students as well. They, for some reason, they could not attend the test immediately, and they had to take a gap. And in between, the COVID came, or maybe something else came, and they need to restart the journey. And that kind of bouncing back takes lot longer. But if you want to bounce back immediately, it's easier. Yet Vishal, just tell us something to these guys about their preparation, and after that, we'll allow you to do whatever you want to do. But as of now, if you like to mention something to these guys, please.
Okay. You just need to go with the flow. Go with the timetable that Trupesh sir has shared, and just follow him. That's what I did. So, yes. If he's asking for more attempts, he knows whatever is going on wrong in your scorecard. He knows when you'll be prepared. So go for that date. I was really skeptical for my last attempt, but then I'm glad I did, and I'm free from it as of now. Just go with it and do a lot of hard work. Goes for Ronak as well. All the best, everybody. And thank you for your kind words. I just went to the chat. Thank you so much. And I hope the format and everything helps you all.
Brilliant. So before you go, I would like you to repeat your mantra. Hope you remember.
I love PT. It is amazing, and I am the best coach in the world.
And I'm truly feeling with the best students ever. Thank you very much, Trisha. You are free to go now.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Absolutely amazing.
All the best. Thank
Okay.
you.
Welcome.
Thank
Take
you.
care. If you want to continue with our session, there is nothing much to discuss over here, other than the exam strategies that we want to discuss. So by all means, be available. Not a problem.